Hi, we are back to check out the deck that we did last night. We did an exterior house wash, a little bit of roof cleaning, and we did a deck cleaning. This deck was almost black with algae. It had a really thick algae. Took a heavy cleaner to remove it, some pressure, and actually we had to go over it a few times because the algae was so thick on here. So I'll take you around on what we did. And you'll be able to see before and after photos on our website when we have it up, or our Facebook site. So the spindles were all gray, and then the deck was, like I said, almost black, and it was pretty heavy in algae. So the homeowner just wanted to have it cleaned, and so we provided, I think, a very good service for them. The railing is cedar. The top hand rails they had replaced. They were cedar. They had them replaced with pressure treated, and the floor is pressure treated. So again, the everything was pretty much black, and the railing was gray. And they're newer homeowners, so the previous people did not keep up with the maintenance of their deck. And they took out a bunch of boards. You'll see, like here, there was like a planter. Over in this area, there was a bench. There was a planter over here. So it's a nice sized deck. They'll be able to have a lot of parties out here, a lot of gatherings. Nice room there that they'll be able to look out. So I just thought I'd show you what we've done, and again, you'll be able to see before pictures. The previous homeowner had tried power washing themselves, and they did a lot of zigzag marks this way across the grain, which you never want to do. You always want to go with the grain. So whenever they get it ready to stain it, you'll want to put a light sander on there to try and take those marks out. You really can't see them right now, but they're right in this area. You can see a little bit there, and then they had a little bit over there. So thanks for joining us. 614-425-9395, Columbus, Ohio.